Hello, my name is Lovisa and I am a product owner in the Ellis Pay team at Ellis Retail. In this video I will go through how to set up Nets PSAM using the Ellis hardware station. First, let's take a look at the basic setup for the communication locally. For the communication with the terminal, the latest version of Ingenico USB driver is needed. Please follow the guidelines of the setup. Install two framework packages if they are missing, one for Visual Studio 2008 and another for 2010. The communication is built on Java Virtual Machine. Please install the latest version 8 package from Java. Please know that you must select 32-bit version. Add the path into the system variable list. Now let's see if the configuration is correct. Go to the Nets deploy folder and open the default ini file. In this file, all the relevant settings are stored to communicate with the terminal. Browse to the communication port that is listed. To see if this port is correct, open Device Manager and check what port ID is listed for the Ingenico driver. Open Properties, Port Settings to check bits per second. It is possible to force what COM port is used. Open Force COM port and configure it for the terminal. After everything has been configured, we are ready to create the communication. At this point, I assume the Ellis hardware station has already been installed on the same machine. Browse to the localhost 8088 and log in. To create new EFT, press Create EFT and name the EFT a descriptive name for the terminal. Now select the payment service provider from the payment provider list. If this message is displayed, the registration of the DLL has not been done or has not been successful. Go back to the Nets deploy folder and find the file called regcombridge.cmd. It is possible to run it here or open a command window in administrative mode and run the script there. Go over to Ellis hardware station and try to create the plugin again. Now it is successful and we can go through the setup and load. No changes are needed. It is defaulted in dual mode, meaning that Ellis Pay returns information of the card and waits for confirmation of amounts to proceed. This can be tested in Ellis hardware station. Here we will send 8 Danish krona to the terminal. Insert card and now send 9 Danish krona. The transaction is successful. We have now confirmed that our communication has been established with the terminal.